This is Ashton Hall, a creator, a fitness powerhouse, and the king of morning routines.
Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I will be recreating the reel you just saw. All the assets that I used in this video are available on my WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description below. So we will just start by adding our background, add a new default text layer and drag it to the length of your video. Now double click on the text, press Windows and dot key at the same time. This will open this emojis and symbols section. Select this rectangle and increase its scale so that it fits the screen. Now I want my color to be white, so I will not change it. Next we will add our image. I will use this image right here, increase its length and remove background. Then I will just add mask, rectangle mask, and increase it mask like this right here. I'm going to scroll down and increase the feather a bit like this, and by this I will just hide this to see my like this. I can unhide this. Next we need to add an animated rectangle, so I will just add another text layer, go to Windows and dot key. In the symbol section I will choose this rectangle right here, change its color to green, dark greenish type like this, increase its font size right here and scroll down, disable uniform scale to increase the scale and width to more. I will choose this. I will make sure the color is a bit dark green like this, or I will just right click and make it add to a compound clip. Then I will go to mask, add a fill strip mask and rotate it like this 90 degrees. I will increase this right here and add a keyframe, move this keyframe forward as I will find in position, and then again decrease the mask like this, so it will give us this animation. To make it more smooth, and right click on this keyframe, show all presets, and then cubic out. Then bring this image upload so that the appears behind the image. Now I just make it to its visual size, increase its size a bit like this. So for now this is our animation. Now I will add a text layer, increase its size, then I will just copy my text so I don't have to type again and again. First I will paste this, then I will go to font and choose this font and change its color to like this. This was looking good. Or I can change the color to red. This also looks good. Increase the font size and make it like this. I make the color this and scroll down. Then I will again add a new text layer like this and copy the name of a character you did it and paste. Then I will just make the font bigger, change its color to purple, or I can choose this color. This was looking good. I will make this text layer behind the character. Now it's working good. Now we will add on this date of birth on that character. So I just add another text layer like this and simply copy this date of birth and simply just paste it, make it small, change its Danish and change the font to something so it's I will place this right here and then here. Now this, and then our text is here. Now I will do double text layer and simply type these lines, copy, and then simply just paste them. I will just use and use and decrease the font size like this. Go to font, choose a font, desert the dot, change its color to green, and we paste it like this. Or अभी we need to add animations to it. And animation, go to an animation and choose I will just add a scroll and increase the duration like this. Now we need to add animation to this, so I will again use and grow animation to this one too. Increase its duration like this, and for this is I will choose squeeze animation, increase its duration right here. For first of you will go to animation section and add a white payload animation and increase this right here. We need to animate our image, so I will add a text layer, add a transform keyframe, move a few frames forward where all the animations appear. So I will just make the keyframe right here and make big. Let the keyframe start value will be 0 and the end value would be 400. It will give us this animation, or I will just change the value then keyframe. This is a transform keyframe, so when you want to complete with that shot at home be surrounded about this, so it will give us this animation. I will just right click, show our presets cubic out, and for the blend one also cubic out. So I would just delete the blend, so snap we can go like this. So I will move this keyframe, show decent let pick out. The first animation is almost ready. In this bit further, so it appears after the animation like this. It's looking good now. Next up, we must go to the flare where our animation ends, select all these and cut, except the bottom, and we forgot to make it a compound clip like this. Also simply select these all and make them into a compound clip. So you need animation. Move this out of the frame, go to video, add a this and move a few frames, bring this upwards and move it out of the screen. Right click on this, show on presets and make it cubic out, move into few frames. Now we'll simply ping another image like this one. I will go to remove beaching, now its background, and then go to crop and crop it like this. Move to big, move to small. This is looking good. Now add another text layer and press Windows and dot key at the same time. This will open again in Gizmo signal section. Select a square and simply make its color key. Color of text, the green right here. Make it to the size you want Then I will bring this from dedicated to a compound grid. We'll put this sig and simply make this, adjust this image into a scale. Now to point up or just let root 2, I use them into a compound heap again. Now I will simply go to mask section, add mask, add a few strip mask, rotate it like this and bring it to its full length right there. Add the transform keyframe, move it to the end frame at the start, then these put values to 0. Where the frame move upwards, place it right there. Right click, show up this sets and select cubic out. Now this animation is ready. I will add another text by just add a text to with this animation like here, and simply copy my text I created. Copy and paste it. Now change its color to the color of our this. So this, yes, it right here, creator, and then I will simply add another text here. Copy my other text, right trace and paste it. Maybe simply change its font to something this, or change scale to more. I will go to animations on this squeeze animation, and with the creator I will simply forward bounce left animation, place them to the frame. And again I press to drag these like this. Now I will just simply select all these, move this keyframe input format, then select all these layers and again make it into compound key. Cut with the animation ends and just copy video, transform perfect frames in this work of skin on the left side. Now I will add another text layer with this animation start vanish, or will simply just let this cubic out and in the morning it is adjust color to red as it's important on the king of or geometry black. We decrease the font size, both the first rate of big, and go to animation. I'll choose this wipe other animation. Simply increase this background as well. Now yes, now we need to create an elevated line. Elevated line, so add a text layer. Type in dashes instead of words. Make its color to the color of the text like this, and decrease the characters something like that. It needs font size. Now right click and create a compound grid. Go to video, mask. First we will add a rectangle mask to add some feather to it. Yes, now I will add my mask, split mask, I rotate something. First we just make it as a compound grid. Now I will add mask split mask and rotate it to 90 degrees. Love it right here at the stomach. I like a few frames and repeat it. So this week it was this animation. I will simply move it forward and so descends here, keep it out. It's too fast and just will give flag for it. So this is our animation. So make sure to know. So this is our final animation. So make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to make some adjustment to it. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.